My name is Margie Hesson. I work with the Native American Ministry here in Nashville, and this morning we're going to be making traditional fry bread. So we're going to incorporate a half a cup of milk and 1 3/4 cups of flour to make a stiff dough. This recipe will make 6 pieces of fry bread. We need to let these rest for about 5 minutes, and then we'll be rolling them out into flat discs. We're heating the oil to be deep fried the fry bread in. Okay, we're just going to flatten these discs to about 1/4 inch and deep fry. I think that piece is ready.